Something new is happening in Africa's banking space. A new financial institution, Africania Bank, is offering not only traditional banking services, but also provide innovative services such as interconnecting the world of traditional financing and cryptocurrency startups.
Well, Africania is introducing Africa's own digital currency called AfCash, coined from a combination of Africa and cash. AfCash will not just be a cryptocurrency, it will create an ecosystem that will help bridge the gap between fiat currency and the crypto universe and enable users globally now, but especially in Africa, to help themselves. We have joining us from Abuja studio to shed more light on Africania Bank and AfCash. She is the Vice Chairperson, Africa International Human Rights Commission, Madeleine Winkler. Good morning to you and thank you for joining us on the show. Madeleine, can you hear me? Good morning.
Thank you for having me here.
All right, tell us about Africania and what it hopes to achieve.
I can hear you. Africania is a new digital decentralized bank, and we created our own token, which we named AfCash, as you explained that very well. So, and we have a bright vision, we have a great team, and we started now to come also to open the channel that people can buy the AfCash, open their wallet, and be a part of it. We are running an ICO in the moment. That means people can buy their AfCash to 10 cents in the moment.
All right. You talk. Is this a new innovation or invention coming to the African continent, or it has been there all the while?
Okay, we know already that there are already e-banking, or even we know Bitcoin, we know other coins which already, if it comes to cryptocurrency, there are others already. But I think we are the only one, or the first one, let's say, that we are in working with Africa, and that the vision is for Africa, and that also, how can I say, is the first one who is also running on the third generation of blockchain. So we have the bank, we have our own token, we have our own developers, and we will have our exchange platform really soon, and also our own blockchain. So that is the first time that it's happened in Africa. But clear, it's a worldwide bank. That means we are based in UK, first of all. It's not only an African thing, because people, because of the name, they think that we are only here for Africa and it's only for Africans. So that is not the case. But we are focused on Africa, and we have all these unbanked people. Exactly, that is a really important or an important mission that we have, and vision as well, because the goal is that anybody can use his AfCash to buy bread and butter, for example, that you can use it like you use the fiat currency. And that is also to build the gap between fiat currency and cryptocurrency. With the exchange platform, you will be also able to exchange from our AfCash, for example, to Bitcoin, or Bitcoin AfCash to Naira and other currencies. So that will be one of the first steps that we're going to introduce in our system. But more than that, we can move money from A to B with a low cost, with really a minimum of fees. For example, if we talk about Western Union, we know that they are making on the top of the poor people, they are making a lot of billions every year. It's more than 400 billions every year, and no 1 cent goes back to Africa. So, and that is one challenge and one vision that we have, that we have to protect also our financial world. We don't have banks who are really there and say, let's grow Africa. I mean, normally the banking system is like that it's one director sitting there and filling up their pockets. Our bank should be in the hands of the people. That is our vision, and everybody who buys Avcash is one vision that we have to protect also our financial world. We don't have banks who are really there and say, let's grow Africa. I mean, normally the banking system is like that it's one director sitting there and filling up their pockets. Our bank should be in the hands of the people. That is our vision, and everybody who buys Avcash is a shareholder of the bank. Is a bank for the people, for the African people, and that is what we want to change. It will not be easy, it's a big vision, we know that, but I think we are on a good way. We just partner with also a mobile transfer company here in Nigeria, and also a big NGO, Quintessential Businesswoman Association, which they have millions of farmers. They are in the agriculture sector, and if it comes to blockchain,
all right,
we
Madeleine.
talk also about insurance and all that. And I think that we have all in-house. It's really great. Yes, sorry.
Yes, because of time, really, apologies, just have to end it there. But
Hello.
Thank you very much for your analysis on the show. And good luck to Africounia as you introduce Avcash in Africa. Madeleine Winkler there talking to us from our Abuja studio.